Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Dell laptop. It is working very well, but sometimes it gets too hot. Its model number is Dell Inspiron 145408. First, unscrew all the screws on the back panel. Open the back panel with the help of an opener. Disconnect the battery. We'll clean everything thoroughly. Unscrew all the screws on the heatsink. Unscrew all the screws on the battery. Disconnect the keyboard and mouse connectors. We will also disconnect the fan and all the connectors on the board. You can see how much dirt is in the fan. It is completely blocked. Unscrew all the screws on the hinge. Remove the logic board from the frame. Clean the frame thoroughly. Clean the motherboard thoroughly with thinner. Clean the CPU thoroughly. We will clean the fan as well. We will also clean the heatsink. Clean the battery as well. Attach the frame to the logic board. Connect all the connectors. Apply new cooling paste. We'll install the heatsink and screw it on. We'll connect the display connector and also connect the fan. We will also connect the network wire. After installing everything, I will screw the motherboard. We'll connect the battery. After installing the back panel, tighten the screws. After cleaning, turn it on and check it. You can see it is working nicely and it is not heating much anymore. That's it for today. See you in another video. Till then, bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. It inspires me to make new videos in the future. Thank you.